This is a Jesus-loving, apron-wearing, journal-writing, sourdough-baking joy packed into one box. I am so excited to let you in on something really, really special. I have been working on the ultimate Mother's Day gift box, and I am just curating each one with so much intention, and I wanted to take you along for the ride as I put them together. So the very first box starts with a beautiful reusable magnetic gift box that she can use for whatever, and inside, everything your praying, sourdough-loving, Jesus-centered mama could ever want, we've got it. First, it starts with the Give Us Your Daily Bread Crisscross Deep Pockets apron. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's functional, and it's also, faith-filled. Then we have the Rustic Roots Sourdough Starter. This is San Francisco style, and it is no joke. If you have ever struggled to get your sourdough going, or if she struggles, or if she's just starting out, check out my video where I revived this freeze-dried starter within 2 days and baking stunning loaves. Seriously, this is the real deal. Then we have, of course, the Rooted Prayer Journal. This is perfect for the praying mama who wants to stay grounded in God's word. It is full color, hardback. It's got Bible studies and prayer garden and devotionals all through here. You're also going to get the lined plain notebook here that goes beautiful with it. Then we get the It Is Well coffee mug that matches everything perfectly. Then you're going to get the hand-poured candle from me in this beautiful glass container. It's going to create that peaceful, holy space that your mama deserves. You're going to get the faith-filled pen with the Bible tag, and then you're also going to get a bookmark here. And mama is going to say to you, wow, you nailed it. So I'll be sharing more behind the scenes as I prep these, and trust me, you're going to want to grab one of these for your praying moms in your life, or heck, just treat yourself. Treat yourself. I mean, it doesn't matter. No one's judging. So we've got the Jesus-loving, apron-wearing, journal-writing, sourdough-baking joy is packed in every single box. I just put so much care into each box to make sure that, it's well thought out, because I'm a mom and I like nice things and gifts. And, one of the things that's so important to me is quality, packaging, quality. Everything has to be higher quality, because I know that each one of you all work very, very hard to make a living and to live in today's world that is not easy. And so I do not take that lightly. I understand how hard you work for your money, and I want you to get value out of this. I want the person that you're giving this to have value, to connect with Jesus every single day. And I think this is just such a beautiful way to do it. So check them out. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more. All right. God bless.